Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply custom image to always on display screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first of all, go to your settings application on your phone and you have to scroll down and click on lock screen setting. And here you can activate your always on display first. Tap on the toggle button to activate it and click on this always on display option, and here you can click on clock style. Okay, and if you want to apply custom image to your always on display setting, I mean to always on display screen, you can click on image clock. Then you can import a photo or image from your gallery. You can also select photo or image from the Samsung Galaxy themes, and you can also add sticker, AR emoji or bitmoji. But here I'm gonna go with this themes, and I'm going to download image for my always on display screen from Samsung Galaxy theme. I'm going to look for the free image and just wait guys. Okay, for example, I'm going to select this one. We can tap on the image and click on download, and after this image has been downloaded, we can apply it to our always on display screen. And I'm going to click on clock and image and click on done. Okay, and now this image has been applied to my always on display, and I'm going to click on done and let's check it. I'm going to lock my screen. Okay, and this is the result guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can set custom image to always on display screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.